Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to repair a damaged dishwasher rack. As you can see, it's very common for rust to poke through and the shell to break. So not to worry, we're just going to get this up on the counter and show you how to fix it easily. Alright, so to fix this today, we have from Amazon, we just purchased for about $8. There's 100 of these little rubber caps and they just slide over top of the damaged area. But first, before we put those on, we have to cut off the casing and sand it down to make sure it's nice and clean to prevent further corrosion. Alright, so first thing we need to do is grab our X-Acto knife, just a standard knife, and cut off the casing very carefully around it. Alright, now I'm just going to use my little rotary tool with a wire wheel. If you don't have one of these, just use a regular wire brush or some sandpaper and just clean this up to get any rust off of it. Alright, now that this is all cleaned up and ready to go, we just need to take one of our rubber caps and we're going to cut it to size. If it were on one of these little rods here, you could just slide it down over top, but since it's on the front and we only need a little bit, we just need to cut it down. So we use our X-Acto knife to do that. Try to cut it as straight as you can. Then we're going to give it a test fit here. So that looks good right there. We're just going to use some crazy glue here and hope it sticks down nicely. Alright, so we do a little bit of glue on here, and it's okay if it drips down on there. That's actually more preferable. That way it kind of seals it. And it goes without saying, just be careful not to stick your fingers together. So I'll just give that a minute and that should set up nicely. Alright, so overall this is fairly well matched up, gray to gray. You can get them in different colors for different dish rack colors. So you will notice it is obviously different right now because we're looking at it, but over time you will forget that it's there and it will blend in from a distance unless you're looking super close up. So 100 of these for $8. I'll put a link in the description for these, and you'll never use the whole pack in your entire lifetime. They're handy to have just in case. Usually these split open because of knives that are sharp that nip it and the water gets in, or hot pans that melt it. So it's a good thing to have around just in case. So let's get the rack back in and see what's up. All right, so as I said, from a distance, you can barely tell the difference until you get really close. So overall, that's all there is to it. Very cheap fix compared to buying a whole new rack and finding one that fits specifically, which can be very expensive. So hopefully you found this helpful. Hopefully it has saved you a little bit of money. And if it has, please don't forget to like and subscribe.